this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to uninstall cTrader from your Windows computer. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have cTrader closed down on your Windows computer. And then from here, you'll need to download Revo Uninstaller. I have a link to that down in the description below for you to check out. From here, you'll simply need to open up Revo like so. And then from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go up to the search bar up here and then click cTrader like so. As you can see down here, you'll see cTrader down here, and you'll just need to right click on it and then click uninstall. From here, you can click continue to uninstall it, and then you can see create system restore point. From here, once that is done, it will start the automatic uninstall process. I'll show you how to do it once it's done. As you can see here, now cTrader will pop up and uninstall itself, and then from here you have successfully uninstalled it, and you can scan the modes from here, and you can do moderate and then search inside of your Windows computer for everything that has to do with cTrader. And as you can see here, there's a bunch of things right here, and you can just click select all and then click delete and then click next. From here, you'll simply also need to go into this folder, click select all and delete right here, and click finish. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!